To add images to our PDF file, we're going to be using ilovepdf.com. Now, this is a free tool and it's available online. You don't need to have Adobe Acrobat to edit your PDFs. I will leave links in the description to these very tools I'm going to be mentioning in this very video. Now, on the page, scroll over to edit PDF, hit on that. Now you should be able to select your PDF file. You can select it from the Dropbox or from the Google Drive, or simply drag it and drop it through your file explorer, or just simply hit this button and it will open it up easily. Now this will load the file up. Now depending on the length of the PDF, it will vary on how much time it takes to upload. Now this is my PDF and I want to upload the image right down here. Now to upload the image, simply hit on add image. And this will open up your downloads folder or wherever you have your image saved. So for this example, I want to choose my image, then hit on open. Now this is the image I wanted to add, and this is just a YouTube thumbnail to one of my videos on this very channel. Now I can resize the image like so. I can drag it where I want and drop it anywhere you wish. And once you are ready and you like the changes you have made, simply hit on edit PDF right here in the bottom right, and this should load up your PDF with your already saved changes made. To download it, you can simply grab the link or save it to your Google Drive, Dropbox, and then delete it once again. You may be wondering, is this tool safe? Yes, it is 100% safe, and they don't store your PDF files, so your files are 100% secure, and they keep them for a maximum of 2 hours, and then they are deleted from the website. Now if you want another better version of Adobe Acrobat, I suggest you check out Sodapdf. There will be a link to this in the description. Simply hit on free download right here. You don't need to buy anything. You should see your download start right here in the bottom left. Give it time and you can open it. Once done, set it up as usual, and it's that easy. And these are the prices available. You can buy them if you want, if you're a small business, and you can get a bunch of other features as well. Please subscribe and check out the video on the screen right now.